Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Regions Bank, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To invest with Regions Bank, start by visiting the Regions Bank website. On the home page, look for the Investing or Wealth Management section. Click on the section to explore the investment options available. Review the various investment services such as brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and mutual funds. Choose the investment option that best suits your financial goals. If you need assistance, consider using the financial planning tools offered by the bank. Once you've made your choice, locate the option to open an account online. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your financial information, such as your income and investment experience. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. After reviewing, confirm your application by clicking on the appropriate button. You may need to provide additional identification or documents for verification. After your account is created, log in to your new investment account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available. Set up a funding source to deposit money into your investment account. Start researching investment options and strategies that interest you. Once you feel ready, make your first investment by following the prompts on the platform. Monitor your investments regularly to track performance and make adjustments as needed. Take advantage of educational resources offered by Regions Bank to enhance your investment knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.